In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color. To get started, we're going to place a code block at the exact spot on your page where you want visitors to land after they click a link or button. This is useful when you want to send someone to a specific section of a page instead of just the top. In your page layout grid, find the precise destination area and add a code block there. Inside that code block, type this HTML exactly as needed, a paragraph tag with the ID set to jump here. This creates an invisible anchor point that your page can scroll to. Make sure the spelling is exact because the link will only work if the ID matches perfectly. Once that anchor destination is in place, the next step is to move up the page canvas to the element that will trigger the jump. This could be a text hyperlink or a button block depending on how your page is designed. Select that trigger element and open its link editing field. In most editors, this will appear inside the destination settings, link options, or a similar configuration panel. The important part is to locate the web address input where you would normally paste a URL. In that web URL field, type #jump here as a single entry with no spaces. The hashtag tells the browser that this is an internal page anchor and the word after it must match the ID you placed in the code block. This is what connects the trigger element to the exact landing target on the page. After entering that anchor link, click Save to apply the change. Saving is important so the editor keeps both the destination and the link behavior you just set up. At this point, it's a good idea to test everything. Preview the page or open the live version, then click the link or button. If everything was entered correctly, the page should jump directly to that target area. If it doesn't, double check for small errors like a missing hashtag, a typo in the ID name, or placing the code block in the wrong location on the layout. That's all you need to do. With a simple anchor ID and a matching internal link, you can guide visitors smoothly to exactly the right part of your page.